Contractors. Today we're going to go over our payment plan options and how you can find them and utilize them on our website. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to find the model number on your blower motor. We do have this video on our homepage that shows you how to find it. Also, if you go to any of our products, you'll see on the second page this graphic here that'll show you how to find the blower motor on your model number. From there, you're just going to type that into the search bar. So our blower motor model number is 5SME39SXL3032. So once that pops up for us, we're just going to click on that, and then this is our exact replacement. It matches the model number on our blower motor. So we're going to go to add to cart. Once we add to cart, we are going to add this zebra protector. You don't have to add it, but we do highly recommend zebra protector surge protectors to all of our customers just to give your blower motor a little bit more life and protect it from power surges. So we have added that on there for 50% off, and then we're going to go to shop. So this is what you're going to click, this purple shop button, to utilize your payment plan options. So we're going to click shop here, and it's going to take us to the shop pay payment plans. The first thing we're going to do is enter in your personal email. We are going to use our company email in this example, but you would put your personal email here and just confirm it with a phone number or email connected to your account. It's going to give you a code to log in. And from there, you're just going to pick what option you want. So for us, we want to pay in installments. So we're going to click pay in installments. This is one option with no interest to pay with installments. But if you want to view all of the sample plans, you can click here. So these are the two sample plans provided. It looks like this one is 0% APR, 0 interest, and you can pay it every 2 weeks over the span of 8 weeks. Or we have another option here where you only pay $31.87 every month over the span of a year, so 12 months. And this one does have 15% APR. So if you do choose the longer payment plan, it ends up costing you for this motor about $29.38 in addition to what you're already paying. So not a bad option if you are low on money or trying to save for holidays or anything else. You just want to pay as you go. This is a very good option, very low fee if you can't or don't want to pay the $350 or whatever your motor cost out of pocket all at one time. So now that we have a better understanding of our payment plan options, you'll just enter in your card information, continue to payment plans, and pick the one that best suits you. Again, if you do ever have any questions, we are happy to help. You can contact our customer service in English or Espanol at 813-440-8108. And for business accounts, you will contact sales at unitedhvacmotors.com.